Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Uncle Bill's Kitchen. Today, I will be showing you how to make Chinese sticky rice in a rice cooker. Stay tuned. First, we're going to need to clean 2 cups of rice. The reason for rinsing rice is to make sure to take as much of the starch off as possible prior to cooking. Let's place the rice into a bowl and cover the rice with water and let it sit for 30 minutes. Cut the end off of 1 large carrot. Slice the carrot lengthwise 4 times. Once you've cut the lengthwise, turn the carrot and cut again into small pieces, as you see here on the screen. If you're enjoying this episode, please be sure to subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out a lot, and it lets me know that the content I'm providing to you is something that you enjoy and would like other people to see on the YouTube platform. Now, take a peeled potato and cut it lengthwise, as if you are going to make French fries. Then cut them into French fry sized pieces, as you see here. And then chop them into small bite-sized pieces, just like so. Take your time. Don't want to cut your fingers, and you want to get these into pieces that are even and tiny. Set your potato wedges into a bowl and cover with water. The water will help make sure your potatoes do not turn brown. It also will help release some of the starch from the potato. Next, we're going to cube our Chinese sausage by cutting them into small pieces first, and then slicing them lengthwise, like so. These are a really nice sausage. They're quite sweet, contrary to, or different than, what we have here in America. You can find these in almost every Asian supermarket, and I recommend getting the Taiwanese version. It's a little better quality than anything else I've found out there. Once you've sliced them into the lengthwise pieces, turn them perpendicular and start cutting them into cubes, as you see here. Place them aside for cooking later. Now, I've got some portobello mushrooms here. You can use any type of mushroom you like. I just like the thicker, hardier mushrooms where you can find them. Cut them lengthwise, and then turn and cut them into cubes as well. Heat up a wok and add about 1.5 tablespoons of oil. And then we're going to warm up the sausage and get them cooking first. Hey guys, are you enjoying this video? Do you find it useful? Make sure to like and subscribe so that other people like yourself can find it. Now we're going to add our potatoes in with our sausage and give them a nice stir. Make sure that oil is covering them nicely. And then we're going to add the carrots and do the same. We've got our heat on medium-high here. Not too hot, as you don't want to burn sausage, but warm enough to soften those potatoes and carrots. Once they've gotten a little soft, we're going to add our mushrooms into the mix. Doesn't that look beautiful? Look at those colors. After a little while, you'll start to see some of the liquid coming out of your mushrooms. Then we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, a little bit of white pepper here, and a little salt to taste. Give that a nice mix. Make sure you've got that flavor all over. Now we'll add our water and bring that to a boil. This is the same water we're going to use to cook the rice, so be sure just to add enough that you'll need for cooking the rice. Add all of that mixture in your rice cooker. Then you're going to want to add the rice after you've put in a little bit of garlic. These are about 3 cloves. Now try to layer your rice atop the mixture, but make sure all of the rice is below the liquid. You'll see how I do that in just a second. Just spoon it across like so. Perfect. Now we're going to add 4 eggs, do not break the yolks, onto the top. And what that's going to do is while the rice is cooking, it'll steam the eggs and get those nice and cooked as well. Perfect. Let's put our lid on. Don't forget to use Da Tong, the best rice cooker in the market. After 30 minutes of cooking, we'll give this a nice stir. Make sure all of those ingredients are mixed in with our rice. You can see how sticky this is, but the smell is amazing. It's got this beautiful fragrance from the garlic. Now what I like to do is I'll put it all into a bowl like so. Grab a plate, turn it upside down, bam! And as you can see, it's got this beautiful shape. Take some sesame seeds. You can use black or white. I like a mixture of the two. We're going to add that on top of our rice, just like so. Look at that. Come on, tell me you wouldn't want to eat that. It is beautiful, delicious, hot. The egg is nice and gooey. The rice is nice and sticky with that potato. This is a meal that'll keep you filled up during these cold winter months. Great. Please try it. I promise you're going to love it. Take a bite. Thanks for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please be sure to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to our channel for future updates.